Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply cash out from KuCoin to your bank account. It's an easy process. All you need to do is make sure you have a verified account, and by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of trading bonuses and welcome gifts when you verify your account using our link. So once you've done that, once you've logged in with your verified account, all you need to do is head over to the assets menu, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen, so you can have a look at all your assets and know which of them you're looking to sell or buy or trade. So we're working with USDT currently. This can work with Tron, this can work with Inch, it can work with AVE, it can work with ACE as well. Any cryptocurrency assets that's here and is swappable to the USDT will work. So all you need to do is, in order to cash out your tokens as fiat, click on the P2P method. And by clicking on P2P, we're going to be trading our cryptocurrency for fiat currency on this menu, this trading platform. So all you need to do is click on the sell. By clicking on sell, you're going to be selling your USDT to gain some of your native fiat currency. So if you sell USDT, you get GBP. If you sell USDT, you get Euro. If you sell GBP, if you sell USDT, you can get the Kuwaiti dinar, anything. As far as this drop down that says NGN, these are the list of fiat currencies that you can use. So make use of this. And now all you need to do is simply click on the sell option, enter the amount you want to sell from a verified trader. As you can see, this trader here is verified because of the green icon by his name. You can also make use of the built-in sell option by clicking on this P2P at the top and selecting fast trade. You can simply sell your USDT into your Wise account, your Revolt, a bank transfer, Perfect Money, Skrill, Cash App, Airtime, SEPA, and some other means of withdrawing. So all you need to do is enter the amount. So let's say we've got 100 USDT or 1,000. All you need to do is simply click on the sell option and the sell would be done. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about any of these, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.